Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi Kumari and I am a volunteer at Shivi Forensics. Today, I will be sharing with you an important topic from the field of fingerprint analysis, minutiae of fingerprints. Let's start with minutiae. In fingerprint science, minutiae refer to tiny individual ridge characteristics found on frictional ridge skin, that is the skin on our fingertips, palms and soles. These small features occur where ridge ends split or change in some way. Minutiae are the key points used for fingerprint comparison and personal identification. No two people, not even identical twins, have the same minutia patterns. While the general fingerprint patterns like loop, whorls, and arcs may be common, the arrangement and number of minutiae make each print unique. Now, let's look into most significant type of minutiae with proper forensic terms. First one is ridge ending. A ridge ending is where a frictional ridge comes to an abrupt stop. It appears as a clean break or termination of a line and is one of the most commonly observed minutiae. Second one is bifurcation. A bifurcation occurs when a single ridge divides into two separate branches. It forms a Y-shaped structure and is another highly valuable point in fingerprint comparison. Third one is trifurcation. A trifurcation is rare type of minutiae where a ridge split into three branches instead of two. This creates a structure that resembles a pitchfork. Fourth one is delta. A delta is a triangular ridge pattern where a three ridge flows meet. It is a key reference point for fingerprint classification, especially in loop and whorls patterns. Next one is double bifurcation. In double bifurcation, a single ridge split into two and then each of those branches bifurcate again. It forms a branching pattern resembles a small tree or fork with multiple branches. Next one is dot. A dot is very short isolated ridge, often circular or oval in shape, also known as an island. It appears between two longer ridges and adds subtle but specific information during matching. Next one is crossover. A crossover is where two ridges intersect or cross each other, forming an X-like structure. Next is ridge eye. A ridge eye, also known as enclosure, is formed when an ridge bifurcate and then rejoin, forming a closed loop or oval opening. Next one is hook. A hook is a short ridge that branch off a longer ridge and ends abruptly. Next one is bridge. A bridge is a small ridge that connects two adjacent parallel ridges. It cannot be straight or curved, often act as a linking element between major ridge lines. And last one is core. A core is defined as the central point or innermost cover of a fingerprint patterns. And these are the references. And thank you. And please visit us again.